Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to explain the second method of HCF. Will go to division method, and I am going to explain some of the steps are to be followed to solving the problems in the division method. Next, I am going to explain some of the simple problems in the division method. First, let's have to see what are those steps are to be followed in the division method. The first step is taking two numbers, divide the bigger number by the smaller number. In the division method, some numbers are given, and that numbers only we have to identify the smaller number and bigger number. With the help of the smaller number, we are going to divide with the bigger number. Okay, come to that in LCM, lowest common multiples. In the factorization method and division method, the values are to be divided some other number. And come to that in HCF, in the factorization method, the values are divided with some other numbers. But come to the division method of HCF, the values are to be divided with the same numbers are given in the problem. And that numbers only we are to identify the smaller number and bigger number. We are going to divide with the bigger number with the help of the smaller number. The second step, if there is non-zero remainder, it now becomes smaller and the previous small number become the bigger number. After dividing the bigger number with the help of the smaller number, some balancing figure will come. That balancing figure should be the smaller number compared to the previous number of the smaller number. With the help of the remainder number, we are going to divide with the previous divider number. The third step is continue this process until there is a zero remainder. This is a process should be going to continue until the problems should become to zero. Like when the problems should not to become to and zero should be the balance should become. On that time also we have to identify the smaller number and bigger number. With the help of the smaller number we are going to divide with the bigger number until the value should become to and zero. These are the three steps we are followed in the division method. Let's have to see some problems in the division method.
Okay. In this class, I am going to show you how to solve the problems on division method. With the help of the division method, how to calculate the HCF. I show you that first problem should be go to find the HCF of 20 and 50. Okay, this is the first problem. We are going to calculate the HCF on division method 20 and 50. You now go to calculate. First, go to the problem. First, we are going to identify the lowest value as well as highest value. The first, what is the lowest value is the 20, highest value is the 50. And that time, in the division method of HCF, we are going to divide with the lowest value to the highest value. But go to that calculating the LCM as well as in the HCF in the factorization method, the values are dividing some other divisible values. But come to that in the division method, the HCF, the values first we are identify the lowest value as the highest value. So that lowest value we are going to divide with the highest value. In this problem, the lowest values are 20, highest value is equal to 50. Now go to with the help of the 20, we are going to divide with the 50. So now go to divide with the 20 and 50. Now go to 22s are. Now go to 22s are the 40. You can now go to what is the balance? You go to 50 minus 40. What we get 10. You can now go to compare it. The balance what we get 10. This is the one value. This is the one value. Now what is the lowest value? The 10 is the lowest value. 20 is the highest value. With the help of this lowest value, we are going to divide with this highest value. Now go to 10 2s are we get it for 20. Now go to what is the balance? We get it for 0. Now go to the HCF of 20 and 50 is the what is the balance is the pending, that value we can call as HCF of this 20 and 50. So that is the concept explained. So now first go to identify the lowest value as well as the highest value. The lowest value is 20, highest value is 50. With the help of the lowest value, we are going to divide with the highest value. 22 the 40. I can now go to 50 minus 40, what we get 10. Now go to compare with the balance value as well as the remaining value. So now go to the lowest value. 10 is the lowest value. 20 is the highest value. But 10 this is the lowest value. We can divide with the highest value. 10 2 the 20. The 20 minus 20, what we get 0. But the balancing amount, the balance value, we can call as LCF of 20 and 50. That is the concept explained. The HCF of 20 and 50 is equal to 10. This is the HCF. The same manner we are going to solve on this problem also. So now go to what is the lowest value here? 16. Okay, the two values should be given 16 and 24. Out of the two value which should be the lowest value? 16 is the lowest value, highest value is the 24. So that's why the lowest value, with the help of the lowest value, we are going to divide with the highest value. Now go to write the 16 and 24. So now go to with the help of the lowest value 16, highest value is 24. We divide with the help of the lowest value, we are going to divide with the highest value. Now go to 16 ones are 16. Okay, we completely cannot be dividable. That's why we have up to the divisible limit. We are going to take it. Okay, 16 ones are 16. Now go to what is the balance should we go to? Okay, balance should be go to 8. Okay, the balance should be go to the 0 8. Now go to 16 is highest value, 8 is the lowest value. Now go to with the help of the lowest value, we divide with the 16. Okay, 8 2s are 16. Now go to what we get? 0 we get it. Now go to the HCF of the 16 and 24 is equal to 16 and 24 is equal to 0 8. Okay, this is the HCF of 16 and 24. We're going to solve the problem like this. Let us see the next problem. Okay, now go to the third problem. We are going to calculate find the HCF of 108 and 396. Okay, now go to same manner, we are going to divide it. Now go to 396. The same manner here also, which should be the lowest value? 108 is the lowest value, highest value is the 396. That's why with the help of the lowest value, we are going to divide with the highest value. Now go to 183 are, now go to 324. Okay, 108 are 324. Now we get it for 2. I can now go to sum. I can now go to the 72 is the balancing figure. I can now go to with the help of the now go to the lowest value 72, highest value is the 108. With the help of the smallest value, we are going to divide with the highest value. Now go to 72 ones are 72. Okay, 72 ones are 72. 8 minus 2, what we get? 6. Now go to 36. Okay, now go 10 minus 7, we get it for 36. Now go to compare it. We should get lowest value here. Look, the lowest value is 36, highest value is the 72. With the help of the lowest value, we are going to divide with the highest value. 36 2s are 72. The 36 2s are the 72. Now go to 72 minus 72, get it for 0. Now go to the HCF of okay 108 and 396 is what the balancing figure is 36. This is the 36 is the HCF of 108 and 396. The same manner the fifth one. Up to third problem, you people are know that only two values should be given. Go to calculating the HCF. You cannot go to calculate the HCF should be going to calculate for the three values. The same manner we should have to solve the problem. Okay, we should the lowest value 200, highest value is 1052. First we take it dividing the values, we take it for two values. Now go to 200 and 1052. Now go to 200, 1052. You can now go to which should be the lowest value here. Out of these two value, lowest value is the 200, highest value is the 1052. With the help of the 200, we are going to divide with the highest value. Now go to 205 are okay, 205 are 1000. Okay, 2000. Okay, 200. Okay, 205 are 1000. Now go to the balance is the 52. The balance is the 52. Okay, now go to compare it. Okay, this is the lowest value, this is the highest value. Now go to with the help of the lowest value, we are going to divide with the highest value. Now go to 52, 3 is 156. Okay, 52, 3 is 156. Now go to divide minus with this value, we get for the 44. What we get for the 44, we get it. Now go to compare it. This is the highest value now. This is the lowest value. We can divide with the from lowest value to the highest value. Now go to 44 ones are 44. Okay, Okay, 44 ones are the 44. Okay, 52 minus 44, we get it for 8. Okay, 52 fours are, we get it for 8. Now go to, okay, this is the lowest value, this is the highest value. With help of this lowest value, we are going to divide with the 44. Now go to 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are is 40. Now go to 44 minus 40. What we get for 04 is the balance C figure. Now go to compare it. The 08 is highest, 04 is the lowest. Now go to, with the help of the lowest value, we are going to divide with the highest value. We'll go to 04 2s are, we get for 8. Now go to the balance is here is 0. Now go to HCF of, the HCF of 200 and 1052 is, what is the balance sheet figure here? 4. Okay, 4 is the HCF. The same manner, continue with this one. Okay, now go to, we are going to calculating the HCF of, we are going to calculate the HCF of this 4 and 2080. Okay, after the calculating the HCF of this two value, balance sheet figure value and the remaining value, we got to calculate the HCF. Now go to HCF of 4 and 2080, we should have to going to calculate same manner. Now go to 4, okay, 2080. Okay, now go to, we are going to, which should be the lowest value? 4 is the lowest value, highest value is the 2080. With the help of the 4, we are going to divide with this value. Now go to, okay, now go to 4 520s, okay, 4 520s are 2080. Okay, now go to, this is value should be go to 0. Now go to HCF of, HCF should go to the 4 is the HCF. Okay, check it out the problem. Now go to, after the balancing, we are going to calculate HCF. We are going to calculate the HCF for 4 and 2080. Now go to 4 return, 2080 return. With the help of this is the lowest value, this is the highest value. With the help of the 4, we are going to divide with this value. Go to that, 4 5s are 20. Now go to 4 2s are 8. Now go to 0 is the common, right? Go to 4 520s are 2080. After 2080 minus 2080, what we get? 0. Now to the balance here, the 4 is the balance here. That's why HCF of 4. HCF is the 4 for this 200, 1052 and 2080. We have to solve the problem like this. Let's have to see the fifth problem. Now find the HCF of 210, 385 and 730. Then now go to calculate the HCF in the division method. First we are going to take it for two values. Now go to 210 and 385. Okay, first we have to identify which should be the lowest value. The lowest value is the 210, highest value is the 385. With the help of the lowest value, we are going to divide with the highest value. Now go to 210 ones are 210. Okay, now 210 ones are 210. We get it for 175 is the balance. Now go to 5 minus 0, 5. Now go to 8 minus 1, 7. 3 minus 2, we get what you get? 1. Now what is the lowest value here? 175 is the lowest value. 210 is the highest value. With the help of this lowest value, we are going to divide this highest value. Now go to 175 ones are 175. 175 ones are 175. We get it for the difference value is 35. Now go to what you get it? 210 minus 175. What we get? 35 we get it. Now go to check it out. The 35 is the lowest value. 175 is the highest value. With the help of this lowest value, we are going to divide with the highest value of 175. Now go to 35 5s are 175. Okay, 35 5s are 175. What we get? This we get for 0. Now go to HCF of, the HCF of, okay, 210 and 385 is, what is the balance here? 35 is the balance, that is the 35. HCF here, 210 and 285 is 35. Next we are going to calculate the HCF. The HCF for the 35 and what is the balancing amount should go to 730. The same manner we are going to calculate, okay, 35 and 730. Okay, now go to, so we should get the lowest value here. 35 is the lowest value. 730 is the highest value. Now go to, with the help of this 35, we are divided with this highest value. Now go to 35 20s are 700. The 35 35 20 is a 700. Okay, 730 minus 700, what we get? 30 we get it. You can now go to the balance here. Now go to 30 is the lowest value, 35 is the highest value. With the help of this 30, divide with the highest value of 35. Now go to 31 is a 30. Okay, now what you get? 35 minus 30, what I get it for? The 5 I get it. I can now go to the 30 is highest value, 5 is the lowest value. With the help of this lowest value, we are divide with this 30. Now go to 5 6 is a 30. You can now go to 30 minus 30, what did you get? 0. Now go to HCF is, the final HCF is 0, 5. So this is the HCF of 5 is the 210, 385 and 730. Like this, the problem we are going to solve the solution. Okay, this is the 5 is the HCF of these three values. The same manner to solve the next problems also. Okay, now go to 6th problem is the find the HCF of 51, 68 and 85. Now go to calculating the two values. Okay, now go to calculate the 51 and 68. First we are going to calculate in the two values. We don't have to be directly go to the three values. Okay, that's why we should be lowest value 51, 68. The 51 is the lowest value, 68 is the highest value. That's why we are going to divide with the 51 ones are 51. You can now what we get? 17. You can now go to 17, we get the balancing figure. Now go to the 51 and 17. We should be the lowest value. 17 is the lowest value. 51 is the highest value. We can divide with the 51 with the help of 17. Now go to 71. 3 is a 51. Okay, 50. Okay, 17. 3 is a 51. What do we get? 0. We get it. Now go to the HCF of 51 and 68 is what do we get? 17. Okay, this is the HCF of 51 and 68. You can now go to calculating the HCF for this 17 and 85. I can now go to calculating the HCF for 17 and 85. The same man we go to solve the problem. Now go to 85. So now go to this is the problem. I can now go to 17 is the lowest value. 85 is the highest value. This highest value we are divided with the lowest value. 17 5s are 85. Okay, 17 5s are 85. Now we get it for 0. Can now go to HCF. The final HCF of these three values should be go to the 17. We can now go to solve the problem. Now go to the 17 is the HCF for 51, 68 and 85. We are going to solve the problem in the division method like this. We are going to calculate the factorization method. You can solve the previous. They will ask me for the HCF calculation in the division method. We are going to solve it like this. We are going to values are dividing like this manner. This is easy. You can solve the problem. Thank you. In this class should be now. Thank you. Thank you everyone.